Hey everybody, this is Shawn Wilson. I just wanted to come in and talk to you a little bit about how can you set up your Square right away. Your Square reader is vital to your business. This is how you take all of your orders. This is how you track your business. You can send invoices and you can also get free processing. And so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to do that, and I'm going to show you on this quick tutorial. Okay, so get ready. Let me share my screen with you. All right, so here we are. You're going to first log into your Square reader, and I'm going to put my picture over here so it can be out of the way. Okay, at the top right, you're going to see something that says sign in. You're going to sign into your Square reader. That is squareup.com. It's going to take you into your dashboard of your Square. Oh, aren't I moving slow today? All right, over to your left here, you're going to see something that says items. Click on items. And all of your items are going to load. And what it's going to look like right now, if you already have a Square reader, is going to generate all of the items that are already in your Square. But what we want to do is replace that with the new updated file that's going to have all of your new bundles and pricing and all of those things in there. Okay, so how do you do that? You're going to click on this action button at the top right. It says import. You're going to import your library. Now you can modify your items in your library or you can replace them. I suggest you replace them. If you modify them, what is going to happen is that you're going to have duplications of your product and you don't want that to happen. So you want to replace your library. You're going to hit replace and hit next. There is going to ask you to select a file. Now I'm going to put the new updated file up in the files in this group. So if you can just go up to the top of the page and click on files, it should be there, okay? What you're gonna do is select it from your computer. You wanna have it saved to your computer. You can't see me doing this, but I'm hitting recent, I'm finding that file, and I'm bringing it on over. And it's going to populate into the import items. All right, now that it's there, you're gonna click upload. And when you upload, this import inventory sheet is going to come up. And what it's going to do is show you your items names, your categories, okay, your variations. And I'm going to talk about variations. It's under modifiers, but your variations let you know that there are more than one fragrance or flavor to a product, or there's multiple items within that collection. So all of that is already there. And then you have your pricing. To the far right, you're going to see at the top right a continue button. You click continue and it's going to say import and replace. Yes, you will change your entire item library by importing and replacing. Continue and overwrite. What does that mean? That means it's going to delete the old stuff and bring in all of the new stuff. So all of the new pricing, all of the new categories, all of the new bundles, all of that will be set up for you, even your new shipping information. Okay, so we're going to continue and overwrite, and it's going to take a minute, and it's going to start to import your file over there. Okay, now while it's doing that, I wanted to talk about keeping in mind all of your discounts, taxes, and things like that, and I'm going to go over that with you. Now, check this out. All of your products are now over in there. To your left, you have modifiers. We talked about when a product has a different, multiple flavors or fragrances or things like that. That's a modifier. It's called variations. In your phone, it's called variations. So if you check out BK for Men, it has $10 to $58. That means all of the products that's in the men's collection is located under BK for Men. If you click on BK for Men, all of your products are there. So in your phone, when you go into your app on your phone, when you're at a party or you're in front of someone and you just open up your Square app, you touch on BK for Men, all of your products there, and all you have to do is touch it and it adds it right on into there, okay? Okay, uh-oh, let me X out of here. Categories, all of your categories are listed as well. Then we have discounts. Now let me tell you about discounts. Just say you're talking with someone and they say, hey, can you donate something to my vendor event? That is 100% write-off for you, right? So you will send them an invoice letting them know, because this is how you're going to track all of your business. At the end of the year, Square will give you a report on all of the discounts and fees that you have paid into it. Okay? So I have them already listed. If I'm giving someone a 25% discount, I just click on 25% next to that item that I'm giving them the discount on, and it will subtract that. Now, keep in mind, not only will it subtract 25% from the product, but it's also going to subtract 25% from the sales tax. I just want you all to know that, but hey, that's just a small price to pay. It's penny on the dollars. All right? Your taxes. You want to make sure that you set your taxes up correctly. Remember, everyone pays taxes. Everyone, all of your customers pays taxes. So how do you set that up? On this screen, you click on taxes over here, create a tax. You're going to type in sales tax. Now, if you notice, mine is 10.25%. We are high, high, high. If you do not know your sales tax for your city, you're going to Google 2019 sales tax, okay? And then put your city. So 2019 sales tax, Chicago, Illinois. And it will bring up what your sales tax are. That's what you're going to put in here, okay? Here, there's a drop-down box, add tax to item price or include tax in item price. You do not want to include the tax in the item price. If you include it, when you click on that product, when it goes up to the charge button at the top of the square, it's going to have a combined total, all right? Or when you go into your itemized list, it's just a combined total. It does not itemize your product and your tax. So you want to say add tax to item price, okay? You want to make sure here that you enable this switch here. You want to make sure that it's on blue. All right, now when you finish with that, you're going to save it, because at the bottom, here's a save button. You want to make sure that you save your tax. All right, so now that we have all of that in, I'm going to show you one more thing. If you go into your account, here it says get free processing. Now, on your phone, you will find that under your support tab. If you do that drop-down box in your Square reader, there's a tab that says support. If you go into support, it says get free processing. Get free processing. Square charges 2.75% or 2.7% for swiped, meaning if you use the little device, you swipe it, it's going to charge you 2.75% on the dollar. Okay, if you do the card manually, just say you do not have your swipe and you want to put the charge in, all you have to do is hit on that charge button. It's going to give you some options. This says cash, invoices, manual. You're going to hit manual and you're going to manually put that card information in. Okay, remember that. Now they're going to charge you 3.5 or 3.0, something like that percent. I don't care about that because I have a lot of free processing. Now, what is that about? Every time you refer someone to Square, Square gives you $1,000 of free processing. And they also give the person that uses your link $1,000 in free processing. Okay? And that just adds up and keep adding up. So if you signed up 5 people this month, guess what? They all use your link, you're going to get $5,000 in free processing, and each one of them will get $1,000 in free processing. Okay, so you never have to pay processing fees. Remember that. So start building your teams. Okay, that's the first link that should go out to your new consultants as you bring them into the business, because we want to make sure that as soon as they get their website set up, they are ready to start taking payments. All right. So you can email them that link, but again, on your Square reader, if you go into or your Square app, if you go into the support, you can actually text that link to them and they can use it right there. Okay, so I hope that all of this works and helps you to get set up quickly. And again, I'm going to put the new updated file up in our files. All right, so enjoy your day. I hope you all are having a successful weekend. Bye.